So for my pipeline, I created this folder structure where I have the common Houdini and Maya folders. Common is going to have the shared tools that I created, either for Houdini, Maya, or any other DCC. So under Houdini, you can find these Python 3.11 libs where you're going to find the python rc.py. This is my startup file. It's going to run every time I open Houdini. In here, first I'm going to create the shelf and I'm going to assign a name, and the name that I picked for now is MRA, which stands for my initials. This script is going to check if I have new tools under my repo, and then if there are any, it's going to add them into the shelf. So under the shelves folder, you're going to find the .shelf file, and there you can confirm that the tools have been created under the shelf. For this, you have this other tools data.py file where you can create the buttons that you want to add into your shelf. To create these buttons, you have to give them a name, a label, where is the script that you want to run, and which is the function or method that you want to run. Then you can assign an icon just by grabbing the name of the icon that you have under your icons folder. Now, if you go to the Python folder, you're going to see all the tools that you have for this repo. In this case, I just have the node renamer.py. The other one is just a test. And the node renamer is going to rename only the selected nodes. And it's going to assign a prefix based on the node type and a numeric suffix indicating the node's order. If no nodes are selected, then it's just going to rename all the nodes in OBJ. So for this script, I added some supported node types, which are the geo, null, merge, DOPNet, and ROP. If the node is not supported, then it's just going to rename it as node. I added this logic to increase the counter and don't get any repeated numbers or names. I open my terminal and then I just write Houdini, which is going to launch my app. Okay, so now we are in Houdini, and here I'm going to create all the nodes that I want to test. So I created these null, ROP, geo, and cam nodes. If I go to my shelf MRA, I'm going to find the node renamer tool. And if I click it, it's just going to rename all the nodes in OBJ, following the structure that I defined previously. Command Z. And now I'm going to test it just by selecting these two first. And it's only going to modify those two, the selected ones. If I select these other two, it's going to rename them as well and follow the naming convention. Now, if I remove the selection and use the tool again, it's going to apply it to the rest of the nodes. Now, all the nodes are renamed, and I can click repeatedly and it won't affect the naming or the order of the nodes. Now, as you can see, the camera node is renamed as node instead of cam_1. That's because the camera node is not supported yet. I can add it here, but for now it's not supported. So it's going to rename it as node_ whatever the number of the node it is. I can click it more and it won't affect anything else. We check if the pattern has been assigned already. And if it has, then it's just going to skip the node. That's how we make sure that we don't get duplicates. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.